Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Emriata. I have been a Binance Global affiliate since 2019. In this video, I will show you how to open a Binance Global account with a 20% commission rebate. And since you are here to learn how to buy and sell Tron, I'll show you these step by step. Let's start. Yes friends, I will show you how to trade Tron TRX. First, we need a Binance account. I have been a Binance Global affiliate since 2019. I offer you the best referral codes. This is the sign up screen. The most important thing here is that when you come here, you need to see my code and what my code provides for you, friends. My nickname and photo are there, as you can see. What does this code offer? A 20% commission rebate on spot trades for life, and a 10% commission rebate on leverage trades valid for the first 30 days. And most importantly, the $19,800 welcome bonus Binance Global launched for you to use. It will provide you with all the necessary facilities. Now, if you wish, let's see how to trade Tron TRX on Binance Global. Yes, we're on the Binance Global mobile app. The first thing to do now is KYC verification, so we'll verify our account, friends. It's very simple. By following the steps on your phone within 30 seconds, you can easily do this. After verifying KYC, we need to deposit money. How will we deposit money? I want to show you immediately. On this screen, deposit. We click here. You can choose the relevant options here. In line with the regulations in your country, I recommend you choose the suitable payment terms. I will now show you here how to buy with US dollars using a Master Visa card. I'll show you how. I'm clicking buy with US dollars. You can trade in a simple way on this screen. We need a stable coin first. I'll show you this using Tether. I'm buying $100 now. Yes, I typed 100 and I said provide order. Yes, I have $100 now. I have $100 in Tether. And now we will trade Tron. I clicked on the market. I am writing Tron in the search section. Yes, I wrote Tron. Tron's trading pairs appeared. USDT, USDC, BNB, and other pairs. I will show you this through Tether now. TRX. I clicked on USDT. Yes, the chart screen has appeared in front of me now. Now, how will we trade? The reds you see on the left on this screen are sell orders. The greens are buy orders. The price you see in the middle is showing the current Tron price. Now I have $100. How do I buy? I'm clicking on the first one in the red list. The current price is here, from here. And I say buy TRX. My order has arrived right now, friends. Where can we look at the order? Look, here. There is a show history part. I'm clicking it. And I see the trade history. Look, I bought 283 Tron. Now how will I sell? I am clicking on the sell part here, this time. I am clicking on the top one in the green list, in the green buy orders on the left. I am filling it. I had 283 Tron and I say sell. Yes, my sell order has arrived right now. We bought 283 Tron and we sold 283 Tron, friends. While doing all these, as you remember on the sign-up screen, I suggested a code that will provide you with a $19,800 welcome bonus advantage. My own code, my own referral code. It has been working for years, for about 7 years. Right now, we needed to create volume to obtain that bonus. I bought $100 of Tron, then sold $100 of Tron, creating a $200 volume. Different tasks are defined for each user. By completing tasks, you can benefit from the welcome bonus, friends. Yes, friends, Tron trading was like this. I showed you KYC, account verification. Besides this, I showed you the first deposit. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. You can also subscribe to the channel. If you have a question in your mind related to the crypto sector, these guide videos are being shot for you who are new to the sector. You can ask me any question. Most importantly, please visit the Binance Academy pages about crypto. You can learn technical terms and techniques from here. Nothing in this video is investment advice. It's your money, your life. Please be careful against scammers on social media. Do your own research. Sincerely, Emriata.